What's going on, YouTubers? I'm gonna try to give y'all a quick, 0 to 60. I'm gonna see if I can get some traction to do it, because it does spin a lot with this tune. But we're gonna go ahead and see what we can do. All right, here we go. Like a 6.3, and I had no traction on that one. I mean, none. Wow. we're gonna give it another round. Okay, we're gonna try again. I can't get no traction, but we're still gonna try. Okay, here we go. Like a 6.1. It's a little bit better than it was, but hey, can't really get no traction on this road. I need to find a better road to do it on, but it's definitely a lot quicker than it used to be. So I hope y'all enjoyed it, the little 0 to 60 test. Hopefully I can get a better road. We can try some more and see if we can get it faster. All right, peace out.